Was it?
I don't know. Looks like.
It's like the kangaroo. Look it. Is it pretty?
Good.
Sweet ride, kid.
Kids did a really good job putting it together.
Santa's good with tools.
Yeah. Look at this, Aiden. Oh, let's go back down here.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this. You want to open it? Let's get out all your gifts first.
Yeah, Rose.
This one is do you have any for the tiny thing?
Do I have?
Any out for the tiny thing? Oh.
Yeah, there should be 3 or so.
I was just going to do his presents first.
Yeah. No, I know there's some around on the other side. I see them.
Yes. Look. Oh,
Jeez.
look at that. These are all home. You're probably excited about that.
Gummy.
Yeah. Maybe you can open them for your car. Aiden. Okay.
Wow.
I didn't go overboard it. Oh. Okay, Aiden, look.
Yeah.
You want to open presents? Maybe Santa should have saved the car for last. Okay, let's try it this way. You want to open presents from your car? You want to open? Ooh, that looks cool. Alright, Aiden, here. Yeah, it might be easier to get out.
Yeah.
He has to rip off all the paper first. Okay.
And next.
Look at this one. Oh, he's supposed to play with it for a minute. Look at it. Mommy wrapped this one.